During prayer and meditation, the mind starts jumping from thought to thought like a monkey. How can we overcome this terrible behavior? Relax. Chill. Have a cool face. It will happen. Mind's nature sometimes is to go here and there. Go ahead, Acha, tell me one thing. You must have loved someone. Huh? When a child sees a mother or a lover sees another lover, does the lover seeing the another lover says, hey, seeing your eyes, my mind runs? When a lover sees a lover, beloved, they see in between there is one cold drink is there, one glass is there, but two straws are there. So much of love is there. When love is more, they want to eat in the one vessel only. You all must have eaten or drunk. So later on, the vessels break anyway. So when the lover is seeing the beloved and they are seeing like this, at that time, can you say, does the lover say, my mind is running a lot while seeing your eyes? That lover will say, your beautiful eyes are like the fish moving in the water. Your hairs are so beautiful. Your charm is there. So nice is your face. So nice is there. And if anybody passes also, they don't notice also. They are in samadhi at that time. One vritti is there. There's so much concentration is there. When you go and watch the films, what a concentration is there. When Amitabh Bachchan comes and he comes in the scene and said, "Maise rishte mein to main tumhara baap bhi lagta hu." At that time, you say, my mind is running away? Do you think our mind wanders all the time only? Your mind was focused at that time. Why your mind was focused at that time? Because you had love with the subject. Don't think mind is very bad. Mind is very beautiful instrument. If mind can focus here, it can focus on the Lord also. It can focus when it has love for the Lord. Don't underestimate your mind. If you have love for the Lord, I can tell you, every day you do jap, after 1 month, 2 months, for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, half minute, mind will get focused and it will get involved with the Lord. It is not that mind is all the time wandering only. Because we have no love for the Lord and we do jap without love, therefore the mind is running away. But I tell you, I myself do jap, and therefore I am telling you, when I do jap, when you will do jap for years together, one day you will sit quietly and you will say, Om Namah Shivaya. Whole Lord will come, mind becomes empty and you can be focused also. See, you are listening to me focused. You don't say, my mind is running, because you have love for the subject and love for me also. So it is not like that all the time. Develop love for the Lord. And how do we love Lord? Lord is loved in one day. Just keep on thinking about Him. How nice day He gave. How nice evening He gave. How nice Shivratri is there. Anything, even if it is a tragedy also, you think, oh, this tragedy is there. It's good that I have suffered. I have gained a lot. Where you have suffered, you have matured also. It is not possible that you suffered and you did not mature. If you have lost something outside, you have gained something inside. That inner gain that you got after outer loss is the prasad of the God. There is nothing called permanent loss. Lord has taken away something and it has given you also. Don't think Lord has not given you anything. Even if he has a disease also, you understand this body is false. How we should not have this body. Any kind of incident that has come in our life is a message for us. Is a grace of the Lord, is a blessing for us. So don't think. Every day Lord gives us. See how He loves us. See how He controls us. How many times we have failed, but still, who will say that He is punished for all His mistakes? We all have committed many mistakes mentally, physically, emotionally, and still do you think for every mistake that we committed we are punished? Many of the mistakes we are forgiven and forgotten. If we were punished for every mistake, I think we would not survive only. We would have been dead long back. But many times Lord has forgiven us. Many times Lord has forgotten us. To such a benevolent Lord, you can't do his job. Achha, I am telling you one thing. I always say one thing. If you have to do job, don't do job because mind is focused or not focused. Do job because Lord likes it. You don't do job for concentration of the mind. Do job so that Lord is pleased. And when Lord is happy, you will be happy.